like it, subscribe.
It's August 2025 and we're gonna head out to Michigan.
We go Uncle Ron's house.
Okay, we're gonna head out to Uncle Ron's house.
So
Are you guys excited?
Daddy, Daddy, have a brother Ace have a lot of candy.
Well, we'll see when we get to Brother's Ace house, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so we just got past Chattanooga. We're gonna head towards Knoxville. It's about 11 o'clock. Yep, 11:13. So
You say no socks.
you got no socks? These boys got no socks. We're getting about a good 8-hour drive. Right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make some milk for the kid.
Daddy.
She's gonna sleep.
Daddy.
Yes.
I want Taki.
Okay. All right. So this boy is gonna want Taki. This boy right here, just woke up. Get ready. I'm head back in the truck. Okay, so it's about 3 o'clock in the morning. We are stopping out at Buc-ee's and we just got some gas. We're still halfway out there. Preston's very excited to go inside Buc-ee's and to check out the area. Are you excited?
Yeah, that was go by Bucky toy.
Wait a minute, okay? Okay, so where are we right now?
Say Boogly Head.
190 miles away. I took a 2-hour nap. And we are supposed to be in Ohio now.
Hey, we are in Detroit right now. So, are you happy today?
Do I like it?
Yeah.
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
I got a lot of memories.
Oh, a lot of memories here?
Yeah.
Okay, he have a lot of memories here.
For good memories.
Oh, very good.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Okay, the kids are here. We just got here. They're all excited to come out. Where's Preston? Where's Ashton? Ashton, did he go in the back?
Yeah.
We got here. He just repainted the garage. 12-hour drives with a lot of excitement. A lot of arguing back and forth. Somebody's... Yeah.
Hey.
What's up, bro? That's the Corvette that he's got. It's a Z06. All right.
Hi. Say hi. Hi. Yeah.
So that's the Corvette that he got. Looking nice. So
That's a Lamborghini.
that's almost like a Lamborghini.
Yeah. So happy. You happy?
You happy? Okay, so I'm on a job here. I'm coming over here to go ahead and fix this downspout right here. Well, the problem is like when water comes from the gutters here and you don't have a downspout to make it travel all the way out there, the water stands just at the corner right here because there's a low elevation here. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna use this ADS pipe fitting right here, adapters. I'm gonna redirect the water towards the end of the house over there because that's the low spot and it'll prevent the water from actually staying on the bottom here. We're gonna cut this off right here, fit in this ADS pipe, and then put a pipe in there. Like
Baby, why don't you using a drill?
Oh, we have like
It's using a
Yeah.
drill.
First thing I'm gonna do is cut this off right here. Can you hold one hand with the pipe?
Okay, I can hold it. Woody, I show you.
Okay, hold the pipe.
Show
So that
you
way don't hit the wall.
freaking metal.
Okay, so this is all we got.
Oh my god, I'm bringing tape.
We're gonna make sure we take out all the sharp edges. And we're gonna put this in here.
This water hose
Don't touch that.
right here. So I need a piece of wire.
What we're gonna use is the gutter screws. These are aluminum, so they're not gonna rust. That's what you want to use here for this job.
Hello!
Since we can't get to this side over here, we're just gonna put 3 screws right here, and this will hold just fine. You got a hammer? Can you bring me a hammer? You guys don't have a hammer?
We don't have a hammer.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that's fine then. We'll have to leave it like this. Yeah, normally I would just take a hammer right this up.
You want to drill me? Now you want to drill me? You can drill me.
And we're gonna lay it down. Yep, just lay it down there. Yep, that's fine. Just like that. We're gonna put some screws around it.
Screw around it. But then you just use a screw. Yeah, just use a knife. Just use a knife.
Okay, so we got 2 screws here.
So we got 2
That'll hold.
screws, Daddy. 2 screws.
And then we're gonna, once the water flows, we're gonna keep this against the wall here. Just gonna let it go here. So the water's gonna just drain out that way. That's the natural flow right here. Okay, don't step on the pipe, Ashton, okay? Now we're gonna just do the same thing with this one over here. Ashton, please don't touch that. I move, Ashton! I'm gonna put it right here.
Hello. Okay.
So we're gonna do the same exact thing here. Take this adapter here.
Adapter.
And we're gonna put it in here like that. And we're gonna tap some screws in there.
Daddy, what are you doing? Shut your mouth.
We know. Through here for safe measure. Then the same exact thing. Some screws around.
And right there, I have to sit next to the pipe. Cookie! Can you give
Okay.
me cookies? Water pipe! The pipe is for me. A pipe. Hey, what pipe is this?
So what I can do is I can hold this side over here. You can pull it very go past the grass there. Yeah, just keep pulling it. Okay, that's good. So when the water falls from here, goes slowly down that way. And then we're actually gonna cut a section of this one and add it down here, so that way I'll make it over here to the edge here.
Daddy, that was easy.
Fit.
The water that comes through still flows. All right, we're done with this part. We'll probably have to stretch it, but can you just bring it over here?
Let's go.
So this is pretty much the end result. It's gonna come down from here, go over here, and it's gonna, so each one has their own downspout, and it's gonna go to the lowest spot out there. So I'm gonna put these rods on to hold it in place. When we do that, we wanna make sure we don't poke into the irrigation system pipe. So we're just gonna stay off of it, and we're just gonna put a rod here, stick it in there. Make sure that you're not hitting anything hard. That should keep these two pipes together. Okay, it's coming.
I'm gonna go.
Alright, we do it like that so it doesn't separate and it stays still. So this is the end result. The water is gonna flow from there away from the house and it's gonna go downhill and it's gonna follow the natural slope of the ground here and go back out there. Instead of having that water that's coming from the top of the roof here, it's gonna just come through this downspout right here. Now one disadvantage about this pipe right here, these are 3-inch pipe and they're not very thick, so it's not UV rated. They're not as good, but it's better than what we have. We could have used a 4-inch pipe which are thicker, but this, no matter what, they're gonna have to be replaced every couple of years or so because of the sunlight that's gonna hit it. But for now, we're gonna see if we can resolve the issue with water coming in and messing up the foundation on the side, on the bottom here. So this should work, and if this works, then you know they'll just have to change the pipe every couple of years or so, because water used to just fall down here, puddle down here from the roof line during heavy downpour. But this needs to be brought up anyway to prevent more water from just sticking next to the foundation here. But that's for another day. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, now that we're all done with the jobs, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and cook a little bit, you know. And we got brother Ace here that's gonna cook, and we got
and we went to Chuck E. Cheese.
And he went to Chuck E. Cheese, and then this guy didn't want to go to Chuck E. Cheese because he was too tired. So now Ace came back from home. He's gonna go ahead and cook some steak over here on the grill. Well, he's gonna go do some chicken wings right here. He's gonna throw some
Hmong sausage.
Hmong sausage, and he's gonna throw some charcoal on the other side. And we got the other two brothers right here. We're just hanging out, chilling. So this time we haven't had a chance to ride this Corvette right here, but we'll do it next time because we were too busy. 2006 Corvette, pretty nice ride. We're all heading out. Everybody's here.
Yeah.
We're heading out. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so we're at the stop area in just outside of Kentucky. We're just eating
mama and chicken.
And he's just wasting all the water that we just bought from the vending machine. We're gonna eat and then we're gonna head back out. We got a good 7-hour drive. We're gonna stop by Buc-ee's to get some fuel in a little bit because we got about an hour before we got fuel up. So we're gonna stop by Buc-ee's to get some fuel.
What is the way again?
We're gonna stop by Buc-ee's to get some fuel.
Dad, I want my strawberry over there.
We're here behind.